Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this beautiful neckline around a Meri blouse. Now there are different types of pattern or designs that you would see online. This one in particular looks almost similar to a honeycomb stitch. If you've crocheted a honeycomb stitch, then you would be familiar with this stitch. Okay, let's begin. For the materials, I'm going to be using this brown and black thread. I chose these two colors because they match the print on the Meri blouse itself. And for the crochet hook, I am using a size 0.75 millimeter. To start, we're going to get our crochet hook and attach it to our thread. I'm going to be starting with the brown color. Now I'm going to get the blouse and insert my hook into the neckline about 1/2 centimeter away from the opening of the neckline. After inserting the hook through the fabric, we're going to yarn over and pull a loop through the fabric and into the first loop on the hook. And now we're going to chain one. Now you will see that I haven't chained one in this video because I forgot to do so, but it is necessary that you do before starting the next stitch. And then we're going to yarn over and into the same spot where we inserted our hook, we're going to insert our hook through that same space, yarn over and pull a loop through, yarn over again, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through the last loop, and that's our first double crochet. We're going to work one more double crochet, so yarn over and insert your hook into the same space, yarn over and pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through the last loop. Okay, so after the first two double crochets, I skip about 1/2 centimeter space and then work two double crochets. Remember to work your two double crochets in the same spot where you insert your hook. We don't want to be making too many holes in the fabric. By the way, this tutorial was not requested. I just wanted to do a tutorial for those of you who are interested in learning how to crochet necklines for your Meri blouses. Okay, we're going to be repeating the same pattern all the way around, skipping 1/2 centimeter of space in between each cluster of double crochets. Once you've completed your first round, this is how it should look like. To join, we're going to simply work a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. And now we're going to chain one, cut off the excess yarn and fasten off. Make sure to leave a little bit of tail to weave in at the end. For the second round, I'm going to be using the black thread. This pattern works best when you use two different color variations. But more importantly, the color of the thread must match the color of the fabric that you're working on. Okay, now we're going to make a slip knot and attach it to our crochet hook. For the second round, we're going to be working 2 double crochets in between each of the 2 double crochet stitches from round 1. But before doing so, we will need to attach the thread by making a slip stitch in between the 2 double crochets. So insert your hook into the center of the 2 double crochets, pull a loop through and pull through the first loop on your hook and make a slip stitch. After that, we're going to chain 1 and work 2 double crochets in between the 2 double crochets below. It's a very simple pattern. There's no chains in between. We're only going to be working 2 double crochets in between each of the 2 double crochets from the previous round, and we're going to be repeating this pattern all the way around, and I'll meet you back at the start. Once you come back around to the start, you're going to join with a slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet. After that, chain 1, cut off the excess yarn and fasten off, making sure to leave a little bit of tail to weave in at the end. Okay, for round 3, I'm going to be switching back to the brown thread. Now I'm going to make a slip knot and attach it to the hook. And for this round, we're going to be focusing more on the first round of stitches. Okay, so jump all the way down to your first round of stitches and insert your hook in the space between any one of the 2 double crochet clusters, and then yarn over and pull a loop through that same space and back into the first loop on your hook to connect the thread. After that, chain 1 and work 2 double crochets in the same space. Now we're going to skip the next double crochet cluster, and into the next space after that we're going to work 2 double crochets. Again, we're only focusing on the first round of stitches. Repeat the same pattern all the way around, and I'll meet you back to close off round 3. At the end of round 3, this is how your work should look like. We're going to join with a slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet. And then we're going to chain 1 and fasten off. Okay, from here on you're going to be repeating round 2 and 3, alternating between the 2 different color threads until you reach the width that you prefer. I'm going to work a few more rounds of this, and when I'm done I'll come back and show you the final result. After adding a few more rounds, this is what I ended up with. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.